Welcome back, everyone. I have an exciting video for you today, because we're finally getting some decent mods on the E36.
Felipe Boy, que dá toquezinho ali naquele placar, transição agora para o 6, leva o carro até o 7 e Deus me livre, o que é isso? Oh, hell yes!
Right, so when I woke up, my car had a flat, which was great, and this tyre I actually replaced the valve on it because it wasn't holding air, and I guess it's just got a hole in the tyre. But anyway, the tyre doesn't have much use anymore anyway because I'm using used tyres, but I don't know if the lighting allows you to see, but this one still has some tread. This one is one of the used tyres which I'm taking to a drift day. This one barely has any tread on it left at all. It's really... so it's not even worth trying to repair. But yeah, I woke up to this tyre completely flat and I had to replace it. And as it was an hour trip, let me get past my brother's bike here and get this door shut. I had to replace it anyway, because I'm on used tyres. I should be on the road tyres, since I still have to drive, or still had to drive, an hour to my mate's garage to get the coilovers on. But the heads of the bolts, I tightened these lug nuts by hand, by the way, with the stock BMW. The stock BMW tool, which is this. Tightened them on by hand with that, and just couldn't get them back off again. And I went to the garage to get the gun for it, and all it's done is strip the heads. So I'm going to my mate's garage on Wednesday. I'm just going to have to drive an hour on these old tyres, which this side is the same set which was in there, which I'm going to use for a drift day. Here I can show you the tread. It's not got much, but it's got some. This side, I already used these to do a couple of donuts, so they're really, really bad. And this side I couldn't get off at all. The other side I managed to get the flat off and get some other tyres on. But yeah, it's going to be fun. Then I'm going to have to weld. I'm going to have to weld a nut to the head of the bolts, get them off, I guess, and then I'll have to replace them. Right, so the first parts I have to show off are the coilovers. These are just some basic John Blue Line, I think it's called, coilovers. They were cheap. They were 200 euros, and well, I don't have much money, so that's what I had. That's what I had as a budget. Now, onto the steering side of things. I have these angle adapters from CNC71. I just wanted to show you the box here because I thought it was really cool. And here it has the logo again. I have the two angle adapters. And then I have tie rods. They also sent me this cool sticker, which I'm definitely going to be putting on the car. I haven't decided where yet, but I'm thinking on the interior somewhere, on the side of the dashboard maybe. I don't know, but I thought it's cool. As for the last parts, we have these Odessa CNC camber plates, which will mount on top of the coilover and will allow us to regulate a bit how much camber we have on the car, which is going to be cool. I'm going to mount them more or less like this, so that I'm getting almost as much camber as I would if I was doing only camber, but also a slight bit of caster, which allows for more self-steer and just a bit better handling. And we'll test it and see how it works, and then we'll change it if we decide it's necessary. Everything's in. Bit of plastic that I didn't cut off. camber plates, angle adapters, coilovers. The cats have been destroying the box. Those to go on. Shut that. Road tyres for when I get these off. Yeah, all ready for Wednesday. Well, here's the old stuff compared to the new stuff. Got shocks, springs, and the height regulator thingies. Shocks, springs, all fucked. So this
É só as neiras no vídeo, caneco. Parece os gajos das obras.
Os vídeos são em inglês, então a malta não entende. Só que metade dos meus visualizadores são portugueses.
Dá aqui fuego. Vai aperitivo ou não? Ah?
Claro.
Já está, já
Baixas, baixas.
Mais um bocadinho? Já está bom.
Oops.
Quer que está para o guardador? Vou explicar.
Oops. Right. Got everything put in. It's 10:30. Just getting the tie rod off on this side. We cut the tie rod because it was screwed and it was easier. And now we're just taking off the end. And we got it all done on the other side. We lost another like half an hour here because I put the coilovers on the wrong side, so that was a big mistake. But should be all done. It's already hit a bit here. You can't really see it, but it's already hit a bit here. So with the extra angle, it's probably going to hit even more, which is going to suck. So I'm going to need to put spacers on. But that's something we'll figure out. Almost done. Just need to finish this side. Half past midnight. Or 40 past midnight. Took the helper springs off. O martelo. Day. We've got the helper springs off just because it's hitting the wheel. So we're hoping that with the helper springs off, it no longer hits the wheel. But it seems to do it anyway. And what we're having to do is turn the tie rod upside down. Turn it, it's like this, we're turning it like that, and because this is hitting the side of the wheel, so we're going to turn it around and we'll see if that works. But it's well, it's out in the dark, and quite literally because it's midnight. 1:30 AM, coilovers in, no helper spring, no angle adapters, just putting the wheel on and hoping it works.
Já. This no aguentem,